Hi, this is Matt over at Power Eagle Cleaning Systems and HOP Sales and Service. We want to do a quick video to show you how the Sandblast kit comes when it's shipped to you and how to get it ready to operate. So here we've got the components. This is how it comes. It's rolled up like this. Comes with the 24-inch gun wand assembly, quick disconnect fitting, the Sandblast head, 25 feet of sand hose, and then this is the sand probe. Assembly is pretty straightforward. We're going to take our gun wand assembly, take the Sandblast head, and with the sand hose at the top, we're going to insert the wand into that slot. We're going to use this wing nut to tighten it down and secure it into place. Now we're ready to connect the high pressure hose coming from our pressure washer to the Sandblast kit's gun using the quick connect fitting. And now you're ready to go. Now we're going to take the sand probe and put it into the blasting media. Here we've just got a simple 5-gallon pail full of blasting media. Simply take it, stuff it right in there. Just keep in mind that these little breather holes have to be above the grade of the sand. All right, now the Sandblast kit is all hooked up and ready to use. If you have any questions about the Sandblast kit or any other products that we carry, give us a call or go to the website, powereagleusa.com.